13 mm coil. And just close it. Just slide the wire, it will cut the fiber. Now you can see it is cut. So the bare part is of 13 mm size. Okay. Now we'll place it in one of the grooves nearby electrodes. Okay. On the blue pedestal, you can see blue pedestal, there is a line. You will just directly place it on that, and it will align by itself. There are two inbuilt motors available inside this, beneath this pedestal. It will adjust, by moving in to and fro motion. So no need to place a nearby electrode. So now I have just closed it. Push a start button. Start button is indicated by 0. Okay. Now you can see white and black areas here. The white area is core area. The black area you can see is cladding area. So we cannot distinguish. We cannot distinguish the core and cladding area with our eye, naked eye. So as a size is very small. So you can see using the camera only. Okay. No, we'll.
Sir, can I try slicing the other?
No. Actually, you need to come for course. Then only we will allow you to slice. So it is costly equipment, so we are not letting you to practice. And moreover, your session is only restricted to 1/2 day. Am I right?
Yes.
So you need to learn more topics. Apart from transmission, you need to learn broadband, GSM, switching and all, isn't it? So you try to come for industrial training, which is usually available in the summer. Okay.
Mini projects also.
Yeah, we are offering mini projects, major projects like that. So I have just cleaned up. Now I'll try to cut. Same procedure. Now fiber is cut. So fiber will be placed on the other side of the groove, nearby electrodes. After cutting is over, we should see that the tip of the fiber should not touch anywhere. So if it touches somewhere, so it loses its 90-degree sharpness. So we'll click sharp. You can see both the fibers. You can see it is aligning. Okay, it is adjusting. So after adjustment is over, it gives some information over here. Arc pass. Now it has stopped for arc. So you can see some digits, points, points, am I right? So it indicates the deviation from 90 degrees. Though we say that fever ensures 90 degrees, there will be slight deviation. So that if the deviation is within permissible range, then the background of the digits will be green in color. Otherwise, it turns into red. So even if you go for slicing, it says that there is improper cut. Okay. So this is basically micro. From Delhi, these two cities will be connected by an optical fiber. With two fibers. Basically, first we will lay the cable. Okay. The cable is coming to this station. You can see inside this PVC tube, you can see an orange cable. Right? So that will terminate on CTB, cable termination box. So for example, the capacity of this cable is say 24 fiber. Okay, it comes with 24 fiber. So that 24 fibers will be individually spliced to pigtail type buffer that I have just shown you.
Yes. Connect the telephone to the socket. Okay? And that socket may be a wall socket or it may be a line jock unit. Line jock unit means white color box. Okay? Some homes they fix that line jock unit in the wall itself. And it becomes a wall socket. Okay? And the telephone, of course all of us know, and the telephone which we use, it is called a push button telephone or DTMS telephone. Okay. DTMS means dual tone multi-telephone. Old type of telephones are rotary type telephones. You might have seen.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
in that, what you have to do, you have to rotate the lever so that the mechanical part inside that, okay, they will make and break. There will be make and break. Make and break means depending upon the number of make and break, exchange will understand the number what you have dialed. Okay. If you dial some 8, okay, there will be 8 number of makes and 8 number of breaks. That means some mechanical portion will do this makes and breaks. Okay. So exchange can understand from this makes and breaks the number what you have dialed. If there are 8 number of makes and breaks, then it understands it is as 8. Okay. If there are 9. 9. Okay. There are 10. No 10. 0. Okay. 0. Okay. So nowadays we are not having those rotary type of telephones. We have now push button. Push button means we have to push the button to dial the number. Okay. In these two frequencies, from a set of frequencies, okay, they will be generated whenever you push a button. If you let us suppose there are some set of frequencies F1, F2, F3, like that F4, F5, F6. Okay, should I write it?
Yeah, that would be better.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, some star, 0, hash. Okay, so the frequencies, there is a table of set of frequencies F2, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7. Okay, whenever you dial 5, two frequencies will be converted, F2 and F6. Okay. Exchange cannot understand what you have dialed. Only by the numbers, by the frequencies what are generated, exchange can understand the numbers you have dialed. Okay. That means it decodes those frequencies and decodes the numbers. Okay. So whenever you dial 8, F3 and F6 will be generated. This type of telephones or mechanism is called DTM. DTM means dual tone multi-frequency. That means out of the multi-frequencies, these are different frequencies, the multi-frequency set, in which whenever you dial a number, two tones are generated. That's why it is called dual tone multi-frequency. But when you hear while dialing, you will listen only one tone. Actually, two frequencies are generated. Okay, and I will draw it. So, first of all, what you find at your home? Telephone. Okay. And
the socket.
to this telephone, wire will be there to connect to the socket. Okay. And this wire is called category 1 cable. Okay. There are many cables which are categorized based on the speeds they offer. Okay. And the impedance they offer. Okay. So based on the speed they offer and the number of pairs, you might have observed every cable will not have similar number of pairs, same number of pairs. Okay. Some cables they may have some 2 or 3 pairs, and some may have 1 pair. Okay. And the category of those cables, okay, are made based on the number of pairs in that cable and the speeds they offer, the speeds offered by the wire and the impedance offered by the wire. Okay. And the cable which is used for telephone is the category 1 cable, which consists of how many pairs? Can you guess? How many wires will be there, or how many pairs will be there in a cable? In a telephone cable?
2 pairs.
1 pair. Okay, 1 pair. That means 2 wires. Yes. Okay. So 2 wires and 1 pair will be there in the cable, and the cable is called category 1 cable. And in the socket, you insert a plug, isn't it? Okay, at the end of the cable you will find a plug which has to be inserted after fans and which has to be inserted into the socket. And that plug is called RJ11. Okay, and the plug is called RJ11. Okay. And these 11 stands for, first one stands for the number of pairs in the cable. Okay, the number of useful pairs in the cable. Even though you have 2 pairs or 3 pairs, if you are using a single pair, then it should be 1 pair. Okay, and this second one represents the category of this cable. Okay. And we are using category 1 cable. Here, this one stands for category of the cable. And this one stands for the number of phase in that cable. Suppose let us
Video copy, sir.
if you are using, if you are doing some networking using two computers, you want to connect two computers using a cable. Okay, and the cable which we often use for networking is the category 5 cable. Okay, which consists of 4 phase. Can you tell which type of socket we have to use here? I am telling there are 4 phase and the cable is category 5 cable. So always 4 and always 45 is the not socket, length what we use to insert into the socket. Okay. So for telephone we use always length. So these are the things you can take photographs later. Okay. These are the things which you find at the subscriber. So that is independent circuit. Only one circuit will get activated. Always only more number of circuits you can provide in this particular connection, which is not going to disturb your existing circuit. For example, I am having an internet as well as IPTV. If you are without IPTV, you are getting some bandwidth. Suppose if you switch on your IPTV, it should not disturb your broadband. Understand it? That is called always on. IPTV. IPTV is Internet Protocol based telephone. TV. So that means digital television using internet means IP protocol. You can watch digital live TV channel. Understand it? So now come to this. Value-added services means to support voice, data, video and all of that. So by using this broadband connection, you can able to make voice calls as well as video conferencing, video related services, all of it. Okay, this is broadband. Why Indian government is introducing this broadband? So basically they are planning to go for a digital interface up to the village, rural location. So there is UNO, United Nations Organization. There are some contributions released for each and every country knows that how to say. So they plan for a broadband provision up to rural location, up to villages. The broadband connection is this one. So what are the services you are going to get with the help of this broadband? You know that high-speed internet you will get. Along with this high-speed internet, multi-caching services like IPT, internet-based TV internet. Okay, if you have a broadband connection, you directly watch the TV channel with the help of that broadband. Multi-caching, video conferencing. Understand it? Not only this, distance learning. There is also another concept called distance learning. The distance learning is nothing but you don't need to go to college and all this. Right? So there is a special program will be there. You can look at the internet, automatically the last screen, the lecturer will come and he will explain everything. If you want, you can interact with the lecturer, you can put the query, video, audio and text together. So that question can get answered. That is called distance learning. Telemedicine. That is also next one is telemedicine. Right? You will take the appointment of the doctor, go to the doctor, you will suggest some medicine and all this. For telemedicine purpose, you don't need to go to the hospital. Take the appointment using internet, the doctor will come on the screen, he explain everything. If any documents are there, you upload that particular test report and document, automatically you can suggest some medicine, you go and do that particular medicine. That is called telemedicine. Okay, and like this, video related services. This is not your, okay? You are going to see this particular service in this short video.
ప్రవళిక కొద్ది కదలకుండా ఉంటావు వీడియో తీసుకున్నాను మేడం మధ్యలో వస్తున్నాను యూట్యూబ్లో అప్లోడ్
-8 minus 8 times 1.5
Ma'am, could you please elaborate it? I'm not getting it.
So that should be distributed to all the operators who are
Hey,
accessing
no problem.
that bandwidth.
You mean the mouth.
So here carrier
ఒకటిగా దాచేయాలి